Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tech Viral, and in this video I'm gonna talk about something very interesting. So if you find it interesting, then press the like button. So we are going to talk about a Flutter tool which is going to be very helpful for us in the future as well, and for this video as well, because what it will do, will provide it a JSON and it will create widgets for us automatically using that JSON. Isn't that interesting? If that is interesting to you, then press the like button. I am targeting 100 likes. If I'll get 100 likes, then definitely I'm gonna make more videos on this, that how you can create the awesome stuff using this particular tool. So that's the target of this video, and it's gonna be very useful in the future. Maybe JSON serializable and all those packages can use it, if you'll see that how it works, then you will be amazed with it. So let's start. So I am here, I have this new package which is Flutter Builder, and as you can see, I have a normal home page in the main.dart. I'm calling that home page, and it just have a container in the body. So now let's not waste any time, let's go to the pubspec.yml. Here what I'm gonna do here, in the there's a dependency, there's a dep dependencies. So beside that, I'm gonna add something called builders. Okay, so builders is a new tool which Flutter is providing to you, by which you can add multiple builders here, which like one of them is JSON widget, which we are gonna use, and you can create your own builders. Creating your own builders is also easy, not that hard. If you want me to do that video, then press the like button here on this particular video. So we are targeting 100 likes again. So now let's include JSON widget, and let's give it any. We don't know how many. What was the current version as of now. So this is done. Now you have to go to your lib folder, and there you have to create your JSON file. So let's say I can name it anything. Let's say my JSON.json. Okay, or I should say let's say my example.json. okay, json.json would be confusing. So my example.json, in here what I can do, and here the JSON, let's say first of all we will give it a name. Let's say the name is container. Okay, and then we can give some parameters to this container. So for parameters we can do something like this. So first parameter, let's say we have a child. Okay, and then we can give it a text. Let's say, so child is a text, it will take a text. So no, so we basically, child can have multiple things. So we will make another JSON here, and then we can give it a name again, and then the name would be text, and then we need to specify what parameters it can take. So the first parameter will be 0th, and here you can specify any text if you want. So let's say hi Pawan. Okay, so this is my JSON, and now I want to use it in home page because I have a container. So what I can do, first of all I'll end this, and first of all I'll import this my example. So I can just say my example. So again, remember, this will be not .json, it will be .dart, because every time when you will write this, it will create a dart file for you. So, and we can write something like as generated. It's giving me some warning. That's fine as of now, because it does not exist as of now. Once I will run this application, then it will be created, and here I can say generated widget. So basically this is the widget which is gonna be made, and now we have error, but that's fine. Now I'm gonna run this application, it will give me build errors exist. Now I can just say debug anyway, and just see the debug console. It should write something like that generating some script, and let's see. So we have this Flutter tool working now, so that means we are on the right track as of now. And let's see if that works. So it will take some time for the first time. So it will download all the dependencies. So that's gonna be happening. So okay, and now let's go to debug console. Okay, it is still installing some dependencies, it's updating some dependencies as well. So it's gonna take some time for the first time. and just don't care about the warning here, because it will be there, it can be there, it cannot be there, maybe it depends. Like for the first time it should be there, and if you are using VS Code, you can directly run it without doing anything else, or you can use command line to run your project. Now if I'll go to this debug console, you can see we have generating build script. Okay, so now it's running on the phone, and as you can see, this my example has this hi Pawan. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's gonna be yes. So you can see hi Pawan here, and this is our container, and I haven't done anything, to be honest, and it's really great, right? This is still showing me some warning, but that is fine. Now let me just show you that where it will be generated. So if you'll go to this .dart tool, then here we have Flutter tool, Dart tool, so a lot of things. So in the build folder, you will find that there is a generated folder. Here you will see my example.dart, which we are importing, and here you can see this is saying hi Pawan. Now I will not do anything, but let's say I want to give it a color. So in the parameters section, after the, let's say, the child, I can give it a color. So I can just say color, and because if you want to give it a color, you can use a hashtag to use something like this color, and then you can pass the color. Let's give it a random color 0xff. I can say, let's say ff 2d tt, sorry, 2d cc, and I will do a hot restart, and let's see what happens. And you can see it has been given a color. Now if I'll go to my example.dart, it has been added automatically. I didn't have to do anything, and this is interesting, right? Now if I, let's say, I want to give some padding, then also I can give padding like this, and hashtag I can just say edge insets dot all, and let's give it a padding of 16. That is fine. Now let's do a hot restart, and yes, so it is working perfectly. And let's change it to hi Pawan Kumar, and let's do, so you know, this is really interesting. You can give a JSON file and it can do work for you. So if you really like this video, then press the like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you're not the subscriber, because you know that I bring these kind of videos frequently, and all the cool stuff about Flutter is here on this channel. Also press the bell icon to get future updates. If you want me to make more videos on this, about this JSON, that how you can customize this JSON, also how you can create your own builders, then please let me know in the comments as well. And we have to hit 100 likes right now, so that I can prepare for the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. The source code will be available on GitHub, so check it out. The link will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, and keep fluttering.